How to adjust textures brightness in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have these textures, but I think this texture is too dark, so I will double click and open it. And here I will scroll it down and find adjustment. And now we can adjust this number. You can see our brightness is changed. Also, you can change this brightness curve, and you can see our texture is changed. And also you can change others value. Yeah. And this one is changed color, so I don't want it. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.